Hi, today I'm ready for LENOVO Tab M9 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of these available options or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click here to this edit icon. Here you will see this down section with invisible options. If you want to add them to your panel, you should just hold each of the icon and drag it to the up section. By the same way, you could remove from the options from your panel by the same way, just hold and drag it. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold and drag it. To reset the changes, click to these three dots, tap to reset, or just click to go back to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.